Hi guys, Matt here. Hope you're doing really well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a very simple granular edit with your video. So you would have by now brought up the video section here. So what you would have probably come across here, when you click on when you select the scenes, you're dragging and dropping with your mouse, and not everyone has the best motor skills, fine motor skills, and they can drag it exactly where they want it to be. So that's why we've got this little timeline editing bar here to help us with the granular fine tuning and editing of what we need. So I'll give an example first. So I was doing this section here, and you can see it's so minute that I didn't know if the first white bar was a start or the end. It's getting so confusing, and I was pulling and dragging it. I just couldn't get it, exactly where I want it to be. So this is why this feature is here, and this is how I use it. So at the very start, you'll notice that it doesn't start at 0. So what I did there is I clicked on the section, and then I clicked on the actual time bar here, and I just put in a very slight delay of 0.03 seconds. And that was enough, the granular editing detail that I required, to trim out the first little part that I didn't want included in my video. So hopefully that helps. That's just a quick tip on how to do granular editing detail in Invideo. Thanks guys, Matt K, Build with K.